Today we will study about the cell separation by encourage dependent cell. The cell culture is the process by which the prokaryotic, eukaryotic or the plant cells are grown under a controlled condition, but in practice it refers to the culturing of cells derived from animal cells. The cell culture was first successfully undertaken by Ross Harrison in 1907 and Carroll in 1912. Rocks in 1885 for the first time maintained the embryonic chick cell in a cell culture. The historical event in the development of the cell culture. In 1878, the Claude Bernard proposed that the physiological system of an organism can be maintained in a living system after the death of an organism. The Rocks maintained embryonic chick cell in a saline culture, and 1897 Loeb demonstrated the survival of cells isolated from blood and connective tissue in serum and plasma. Joly observed cell division of salamander leukocyte in vitro. 1907 Harrison cultivated frog nerve cell in a lymph plot held by the hanging drop method and observed the growth of nerve fiber in vitro for several weeks. 1912 the Burroughs succeeded in long-term cultivation of chicken embryo cell in plasma clots. 1911 the Davis and Lewis made the first liquid media consist of seawater, serum, embryo extract, salt and peptones. They observed limited monolayer growth. In 1916, Ross and Jones introduced the proteolytic enzyme trypsin for the subculture of adherent cell. In 1927, Carroll and Rivera produced the first viral vaccine Vaccinia. In 1940s, the use of antibiotic penicillin and streptomycin in culture medium decreased the problem of contamination in cell culture. In 1948, the all isolated mouse fibroblasts which form clone from single cell. Fisher developed a chemically defined medium. Gray established a continuous cell line from human cervical carcinoma known as HeLa cells. Eagle studied the nutrient requirement of selected cell in culture and established the first widely used chemically defined medium. 19 Littlefield introduced the Hack medium for cell culture. In 1965, Harrison and Watkins were able to fuse human and mouse cell by the use of virus. In 1975, Kohler and Weinstein produced the first hybridoma capable of secreting a monoclonal antibodies. Animal cell characteristic, some of them are as follows. 10 to 30 mm larger than bacteria or yeast. Eukaryotic cell membrane noticeable as shear sensitivity. Surface is negatively charged. Grow on positively charged surface. Suspension cells or anchorage dependent cell. 80 to 85% water, 10 to 20% protein, and 1 to 5% carbohydrate. The lipid bilayer cell membrane that is sensitive to shear. Optimum growth at 37 degrees Celsius. Now we'll see the tissue culture. इन विट्रो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ ऑर्गन. इन विट्रो मीन्स इन लैब अगर हम कल्टीवेट कर रहे हैं ऑर्गन टिश्यू तो उसको इन विट्रो बोल रहे हैं. द इन विट्रो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ ऑर्गन टिश्यू एंड सेल एट डिफाइंड टेम्परेचर यूजिंग एन incubator and supplemented with a medium containing cell nutrient and growth factor. It is colloquially known as a tissue culture. The different types of cell grow in culture include connective tissue elements such as fibroblasts, skeletal tissue, cardiac, epithelial tissue, liver, breast, skin, kidney, and many different types of tumor cells. Common theme to all cells culture. Cell density must be controlled and optimized. Want cell density to be high enough to maximize production of usually protein product. But if cell density gets too high, nutrient in media get depleted. Waste product build up in India media. In the case of some cells such as animal cells, cell-to-cell contact can cause cell to stop dividing and contact inhibition. Why is cell culture used for? The areas where cell culture technology is currently playing a major role. The model system for studying basic cell biology, interaction between disease-causing agent and cell, effect of drug on cells, and process and triggering of aging and nutritional studies. Toxicity testing include the study the effect of new drugs, and cancer research study the function of various chemical, virus, and radiation to convert normal culture cell to cancerous cells. Cells are cultured as a anchorage dependent or independent. The cell line derived from normal tissue are considered as anchorage dependent, grow only on a suitable substrate. Example टिश्यू सेल, जो टिश्यू सेल है उसको ग्रो करने के लिए एक एंकर यानी एक बेस चाहिए होता है जिसको अटैच होके वो ग्रो करती है. सस्पेंशन सेल आर एंकरेज डिपेंडेंट, जैसे कि ब्लड सेल्स है, इसको ग्रो करने के लिए कुछ तो भी सपोर्ट चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं एंकरेज डिपेंडेंट सेल्स. ट्रांसफॉर्म सेल लाइन आइदर ग्रो एज अ मोनोलेयर और एज अ सस्पेंशन. तो ये एज अ मोनोलेयर सिंगल लेयर ग्रो होती है या फिर सस्पेंशन में ग्रो होती है. सेल्स आर आइदर एंकरेज डिपेंडेंट और एंकरेज इंडिपेंडेंट. जो डिपेंडेंट है उसको बेस चाहिए होगा अटैच करने के लिए, और एंकरेज इंडिपेंडेंट कैन ग्रो विदाउट द बेस. Most animally derived cells are the example of the anchorage dependent cells. It adhere to the bottom of a flask and form a monolayer, means single layer. Eventually cover the entire surface of substratum and proliferation then stop. यानी पूरा एरिया कवर करने के बाद उसकी जो ग्रोथ है वो स्टॉप हो जाती है. नीड टू सब कल्चर द सेल एट दिस पॉइंट. और जब वो प्रोलिफरेशन स्टॉप होता है तो हमें उसको निकाल के अनदर फ्लास्क में क्या करना पड़ता है, ट्रांसफर करना पड़ता है, और रिमूव टू फ्रेश मीडियम. प्रोलिफरेशन कैन बिगिन अगेन इन अनदर फ्लास्क. एंकरेज इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्स, सेल्स एसोसिएटेड विद बॉडी फ्लूइड, जैसे कि ब्लड सेल्स है. इट डज नॉट नीड द बेस और द अटैचमेंट सरफेस. ग्रो इन सस्पेंशन विल इवेंचुअली नीड सब कल्चरिंग, लेकिन इसको भी बाद में सब कल्चर करना पड़ता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एंकरेज डिपेंडेंट एंड एंकरेज इंडिपेंडेंट सेल.